Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today our topic is about the types of network based on physical area they cover. Generally, there are four types of network based on the physical area. First, local area network. Second, wide area network. Third, metropolitan area network. And fourth, virtual private network. Now we will briefly describe each of the following. First, local area network. It is also known as LAN. It spans a limited physical area. यानी इसका जो physical area वो एक room हो सकता है. Just for example, internet cafe. It use high speed wired और wireless connection between computers. क्योंकि एक कमरा हो सकता है, एक कमरे के अंदर एक नेटवर्क आपका बना है जिसमें एक क्लाइंट है, बाकी एक सर्वर है, बाकी उसके क्लाइंट है, एक डेडिकेटेड सर्वर है. So we can say that it use high speed wired and wireless connection between computers. And generally it is used for sharing of different applications, printers, group scheduling, email, etc. So though the speed of the local area network is high because it use high speed wireless or wireless wired and wireless connection for internet, and its span area physical area is limited, therefore less problem, less error occur, and the number of error occur is reduced in local area network. Now, as compared to local area network, wide area network, it consists of two or more than two LANs. There are multiple LANs connected in the wide area network. So we can say that it spans a large physical area. Second, it connects multiple LANs. So the physical areas of the vans are, we can say that it provide network from country to country or from subcontinent to another, from continent to another continent. So we can say it connects computer through public network, lease line or satellite. Even satellite may involve in van. So therefore, because it consists of huge network, or we can say that hundreds of local area networks combined to form to make the wide area network. So the communication speed is slow as compared to LAN. क्योंकि LAN में तो एक बिल्डिंग के अंदर है या एक रूम के अंदर एरिया या एक यूनिवर्सिटी का एक कैंपस का जो नेटवर्क है, we can say that it is LAN. Or we can give the example of a common example of internet cafe. But in wide area network, it it spans from one country to another country, from one continent to another continent. So the communication speed is slow because number of devices are number of terminals, number of network lease line or maybe satellites are involved in wide area network. So therefore sometimes communication errors occur. And now come to the third, metropolitan area network. This is the third type of network. These are the basic points. It spans from several buildings to entire cities. Generally, it is within 50-kilometer area. For example, if a university have its different campuses in different locations, then their networks combine to form a metropolitan area network. We can say the network of a university having its different campuses at different location. There, the networking is we can say it as a metropolitan area network. Generally, it use fiber optics or microwave transmission. Microwave transmission is the form of unguided media, and it is the common transmission used today for networking. So, and it provide high speed communications. Generally, metropolitan area networks are used by telephone companies, internet service providers, and cable TV companies. These are the big examples of companies that are using metropolitan area networks. It does not matter that which number of types of devices these network arrangement are uses. It's just belong to the physical area they cover. Local area network cover the limited physical area. Wide area network covers a large physical area from one, even from one country to another country, from one continent to another continent. And metropolitan area network covers up to 50-kilometer area. And now come to the last type of network according to the physical area. It is known as the virtual private network, VPN, known as VPN. It provides remote access to individual and office to organization network. अब ये रिमोट एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करता है इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए भी, इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफिस के लिए भी, एंड ऑफिस टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेटवर्क। और ये एक पब्लिक टेलीफोन यूज, पब्लिक सर्विसेज को यूज करता है। इट यूज पब्लिक नेटवर्क, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंटरनेट की यूज कर रहा है टू कनेक्ट। अब जितने भी स्कूल लॉग्स के जो आईटी सोल्यूशन है, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट के जो सॉफ्टवेयर हैं, दीज आर द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्चुअल प्राइवेट नेटवर्क्स। These are generally provided by the cloud computing services by different organizations, but these are the best example of virtual private network that use the public network, and it enables file sharing, video conferencing, and similar network services. And this is uh, why we prefer, because it is cheap communication over long distance. I have already told that many companies are providing the cloud services for school education, school management system, organization education, organization management system, and it use the public network services, and it is very necessary and it is very beneficial for video conferencing, file sharing, group scheduling, and so it provide cheap communications over long distance. So it is the best example of, these are the best example of virtual private network. So any question or any queries regarding this topic, the types of network, you can ask me through WhatsApp or Messenger. Okay, ji, thank you.